guys, parasailing out here, and Hurricane Idalia is offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. Today is August 29, 2023. And we are currently at low tide, or getting ready to be at low tide at 9 o'clock. Switched on. Some of the low tide. We're approaching 7 o'clock in the evening, and Hurricane Idalia is just about west-southwest of the Tampa Bay area, picking up strength, intensifying. So the latest 5 o'clock advisory, we're up to 100 miles per hour, and pressure's down to 972 millibars. Is expected to become a major hurricane tonight, and impact west coast of Florida and the Panhandle region, and our winds will continue to increase. Come up, be about 37 in the area right now. We're seeing low tide though, so this is going to increase. We got a gentleman out here parasailing. Must be a real pro at this. Wow, look at that. Woo! Amazing. There's a look at the St. Pier. And Tampa Bay. Hello everyone. Today is August 29, 2023. Hurricane Elena is about 120 miles offshore of the Tampa Bay area. The time right now is 7:48 p.m. We are here live at the Petersburg Pier. Take a look at very high waves. They're crashing in on shore here, right along the seawall here. I have my wind meter thermometer with me. I'm going to do a little check to see what the winds are like out here. So right now we're getting a stage wind of about 50 miles per hour. Waiting for some of the feeder bands to work its way around the circulation. That is about 120 miles offshore. We have to see a lot of white clouds here. We're expecting about 4 to 7 inches of moisture tonight. Right now, we are getting closer to low tide. So you can imagine when we do get high tide, it's going to be, the water's going to be coming all the way up there and inundating the shore. Right now, yeah, we're getting about 10 miles per hour or so. So we're not really into the heavy bands just yet. We are seeing very high waves crashing here on shore. All right, we're here at the St. Petersburg Pier. And Hurricane Idalia is about 120 miles west-southwest of the Tampa Bay area in the Gulf of Mexico. We are starting to see the winds increasing as we see those feeder bands rotating around the center of circulation. That is driving these high waves on over the seawall. You are seeing the white caps outside there. And there is the pier in the background. We are anticipating about a 4 to 7 foot storm surge in and around Tampa Bay overnight. And we're going to have 2 high tides, one at 3:30 in the morning and the other one at 11:30 in the morning again, tomorrow morning. And so this is what we are dealing with right now. We are starting to see a rain band getting ready to wrap around. That is showing 50 knots of wind just south of us in Bradenton. Should be here in a few minutes. But there are the waves crashing on shore there. Wow, look at this strong rain band coming in from Hurricane Idalia here in St. Petersburg, Florida. I would have to say the rainfall rates here right now are probably falling about a good 3 to 4 inches an hour. Look at this. Woo! This is one very intense band coming through right now here at St. Petersburg Pier from Hurricane Idalia. And boy, you can see this band just coming through right now. Woo!
They have to, I was completely. Waves are gonna basically have the effects of the
Yeah. Look out. Tampa Bay is holding flat. Yeah. Really, the storms are starting to come in here. St. Petersburg by the pier.
Again, that's not even taking into account.
We have some flooding here in downtown St. Petersburg from Hurricane Idalia.
It starts to weaken once it makes landfall tomorrow morning. They were still expecting some extreme gusts, potentially 50, 60, 70 miles an hour as that storm makes its way northeast.
Look at that. It is overflowing the seawall here. We are looking at about a foot of overwash here right now. This is about a foot of storm surge. Wow. What a hurricane. Absolutely incredible, the force of Mother Nature here. Wow, look at this flooding. This is on Dock Ford, Rock Bar and Grill. And here, look at the waves just overflowing the seawall.